Good morning, class 8th. Today we will start with the new topic, that is operation on algebraic expression. Already we have completed our first term syllabus, and from today onwards we will start with our second term syllabus. And the first topic in this chapter is addition of algebraic expression. So in order to add a given algebraic expression, first of all you have to add their like terms. What do you mean by like terms? Like terms means, for example, consider I have written one example, and with the help of example I have explained what are like terms. Here you have been given with the three algebraic expression. First one is 6a plus 8b minus 5c. See here, 6a plus 8b minus 5c. This is the first term. 2b plus c minus 4a. This is second term. And a minus 3b minus 2c. This is third term. So first of all, I have written this expression. Below this, I have written this expression. While writing second expression, note you have to write the same term, that is below minus 4 I have written below 6a, and 2b I have written below 8b, because b and b, a and a are known as like terms. Okay, though like terms are those terms which are having same variable in the given expression. Next one is plus c. C is written below minus 5c. Similarly, while writing third expression is a minus 3b minus 2c. I have written a below minus 4a, minus 3b is written below plus 2b, and minus 2c is written below c. So we will write all these three expression like this. Now after writing this, we have to simply perform addition. So how addition of the variable is done? See here minus 5c and minus 2c. All of you have studied integers in class 7th. So minus and minus, when added, same sign number when added, we have to perform addition, and minus sign is there. And when minus 5c and minus 2c, that will give minus 7c. And in minus 7c, when plus c is added, we will get minus 6c. Next one is 8b is added to 2b. What is the result? 10b. And from 10b, minus 3b is subtracted. The result will be plus 7b. After that, 6a and a is added. 6a plus a will give 7a, and 7a you have subtracted minus 4a, that will give 3a. So therefore the final answer is 3a plus 7b minus 6c. This is the final answer. Next, I have taken one more example. Try to understand how the addition of algebraic expression is done. Next one is 5x square plus 3x minus 8, 4x plus 7 minus 2x square, and 6 minus 5x plus 4x square. These are the three algebraic expression. First one I have written first expression. Then below it I have written second expression. But note down that x square term minus 2x square is coming below the x square term. X वाली जो term है, that will come below the x term, and plus 7 will come below the minus 8. Constant term will come below the constant term. X term will come below the x term, and x square term will come below the x square term. Similarly, we will write third expression. So on solving, what we get? 7 plus 6, 13. 13 minus 8 will give plus 5. Next one is 3 plus 4x. 3x and 4x. We are adding here like terms. 3x and 4x give 7x. 7x minus 5x will give 2x. Similarly, 5x square, 4x square, 5x square and 4x square is 9x square minus 2x square. That will give 7x square. Clear? Answer is this. So this is about addition of algebraic expression. second topic is how to subtract. Subtraction is performed in algebraic expression. So I have explained the method of solving subtraction of two given fraction with the help of example. See here, you have to subtract this expression. What is the expression? 4a plus 5b minus 3c from 6a minus 3b plus c. So what I have written? I have written 6a minus 3b plus c, and below this I have written first expression, that is 4a plus 5b minus 3c. Clear? Therefore, while performing subtraction, the sign of the below expression is changed. So what is the second expression? 4a plus 5b minus 3c. Their sign will be changed. Plus sign will become minus, and minus sign will become plus. We have to change the sign. And now we have to perform the whatever sign is present in below expression. Here plus sign indicates that 3c is plus. So plus 3c and plus c will give plus 4c. Next one, minus 5b and minus 3b will give minus 8b. And minus 4a and 6a will give 2a. This is the result. Now I have solved some of the questions from exercise 6a. Based on, try to see how I solved, and based on that you have to complete the remaining questions from exercise 6a in homework. Question 1 is 8a plus minus 5b plus 3ab plus minus ab. All the expression are having ab as variable. So you have to add their respective coefficient. What are coefficient? The number which is multiplied with the variable is known as coefficient. So in the next step, what I have done, 8ab is written, minus 5ab plus 3ab minus 5ab. Plus term will be taken out, and minus term will be written together. Then 8ab plus 3ab will give 11ab, and minus 5ab and minus ab will give 6ab, and the result is 5ab. 5ab is the required answer. Similarly, question number 5th I have solved. There are three algebraic expression you can see. So writing first one will give 6ax minus 2by plus 3cz. Below this I have written second expression. Remember, while writing second expression, you have to write below the like terms. Ax is written below the ax term, by term is written below the by term, and cz term is written below the cz term. So on solving, we will get the required result. Clear? And this is the completion of subtraction of. In the next topic, we will study how to multiply the given algebraic expression. Thank you.